Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheesecake with ease. First, gather all your ingredients, making sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature for a smooth batter. Next, prepare your simple graham cracker crust by combining crumbs with melted butter and pressing it into your pan. Finally, gently mix your filling ingredients until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can lead to cracks. Bake your cheesecake in a water bath to ensure even cooking and prevent cracks. You'll know it's ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool slowly inside with the door ajar. This gradual cooling is crucial. Once completely cooled, refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best texture. Now for the fun part, toppings. You can get creative with fresh berries, a rich chocolate ganache, or a tangy fruit compote. Before slicing, make sure your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled. This is key for clean, beautiful cuts. For truly perfect slices, dip your sharp knife in warm water and wipe it clean between each cut. This simple trick makes all the difference for presentation. To avoid common cheesecake woes like cracks, always ensure your ingredients are at room temperature and avoid sudden temperature changes during baking and cooling. Don't overmix the batter, as this can incorporate too much air. Remember, a perfectly baked cheesecake is a labor of love, but the delicious results are always worth it. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.